So let's briefly talk about each of the types of incidents our office assists students with. While there are specific definitions of each area of sexual misconduct in the Student Code of Conduct, our office provides support to students regardless of if an incident rises to the level of a code violation or if the incident happened on or off campus. Even if an incident happened before you were a student at Texas Tech, we can still coordinate supportive measures and connect you with resources if you are at all emotionally impacted. Sexual harassment is any unwelcome, sex-based verbal or physical conduct. Just a heads up, it is now illegal in Texas to send someone unsolicited nude pictures. Sexual assault includes non-consensual sexual contact or non-consensual sexual intercourse. This includes attempted sexual assault as well. I know talking about consent can be uncomfortable or an awkward conversation, but ensuring you have consent is absolutely necessary and the most important part of every intimate encounter, regardless if this is your first experience with that partner or your 100th. The university's policy requires clear, knowing, and voluntary consent from their sexual partner prior to and during each sexual activity. In order to have valid consent, there must be all of the following factors. Consent must be expressed by actively each partner through words or actions. Consent cannot be implied regardless of relationship status or previous sexual relationship. Consent is ongoing. Each partner must be informed about each sexual activity and knowingly consent to participate in each activity. Consent must be given voluntarily and freely. Each partner must also have the legal capacity to consent, so someone incapacitated due to drugs or alcohol cannot give consent. Any partner at any time can revoke consent, verbally or non-verbally, and this must immediately stop the sexual activity. If it continues, a sexual assault has occurred. I know this can be really confusing, and that's why it is so important to continuously check in with your partner, be in tune with them, even verbally check in with them to be 100% certain that your partner is comfortable. So back to other types of incidents our office assists students with. Sexual exploitation or any type of quid pro quo. This is taking non-consensual or abusive sexual advantage of someone. We commonly see this as recording or distributing intimate pictures or videos without someone's consent, or maybe distributing those pictures or videos without someone's consent. Also using those photos or videos to coerce someone to some type of sexual activity. Intimate partner violence involves any type of abuse or violence, even a threat of abuse or violence from an intimate partner. This includes any type of physical or verbal abuse. Stalking is a course of conduct that would cause someone to fear for their safety. Usually we see this as a pattern of behavior. Also, if there's ever a time where you feel unsafe or uncomfortable on or off campus, do not hesitate to call 911. The Department of Education requires specific protections for pregnant and parenting students. This includes protections for partners as well. The regulations ensure that students are not penalized for absences related to the pregnancy or birth and have options for finishing their coursework even if extra time is needed. Also, we can help coordinate parking options in one's third trimester. If you or your partner are expecting or considering conceiving, do not hesitate to reach out to our office to see what options and resources are available to you. Texas Tech does not tolerate any type of discrimination or harassment based on or related to any protected class. Our office also provides resources and investigates incidents of discrimination related to any part of your identity.